Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite Thai steamed fish with garlic lime dressing. It's utterly delicious to eat and super easy to make. If this sounds interesting to you, stick around and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my YouTube channel. Steamed fish by itself is quite delicate and plain, so it needs to have a good sauce or dressing to go with it. I'm going to show you how to make a Thai dressing that is synonymous with the Thai flavor. It needs to have the right balance of saltiness, sweetness, sourness, and spiciness. The saltiness itself comes from the fish sauce over here. To get the sweetness in the dressing, I'm going to be using a natural sugar. I'm using a Thai palm sugar. Thai palm sugar comes from the sap of a sugar palm tree. The sap is boiled first and then molded into blocks like this, or it comes in a paste form. So with a block like this, you will need to shave it using a sharp knife. I've already done it. I have my sugar over here. The sourness of the dressing comes from fresh lime juice. What I have here is I have the Persian lime, also known as Tahitian lime. It has a lot of juice in it and it's not as tart or bitter like the other varieties. To know which lime to buy, you need to make sure that it's light green in color and it's slightly yellow on the skin. And gently squeeze it and to make sure that it is soft like this and it's not firm hard. Okay, the other thing is that to make sure you get a maximum yield of the lime juice, you will just roll it gently with the bottom of your palm and then you cut it in half. So that way you get the most juice out of the lime. I have already prepared my lime juice, 3 of the limes, and I also have done a little bit of zest of the lime. The spiciness of the dressing comes from fresh chili. I have 3 types of chilies over here that I'm using. The large red chili. It doesn't have much heat or spiciness, but I like the color of the chili, so I'm using 2 of these just for the color of the red chili. To get the heat and pungentness of spiciness of a chili, I'm using the bird eyes chili. These are the Thai chili. I have two red and 4 greens over here. The green itself is more pungent than the red, and also it's more spicy than the red bird eyes chili. So it goes very well together by having a combination of the chilies. What I have already done is I have chopped my chili and I've chopped them really fine. I have also chopped the garlic and I've chopped it really fine, just like the chili. This is 1 whole bulb of garlic. The garlic which I have is quite small, so it really depends on how big or small your garlic is. This is the garlic which I have got from the supermarket, so I use the whole bulb. The shaved palm sugar over here will need to be melted in some liquid. I'm going to use vegetable stock. It's about half a cup of vegetable stock over here. So pour it into the saucepan. Add about 1.5 tablespoon. So that's 1.5 tablespoon. Okay, it's starting to smoke. This is finished. One other reason that we are heating up the stock is to infuse all the other ingredients so we have a robust flavor in our dressing. We're going to pour the stock into a bowl. Next, we're going to add 6 tablespoons of fish sauce. So this will give the dressing the saltiness. We need an equal portion of sourness and the saltiness. So we're gonna add 6 tablespoons. That's 2, 6. Add in the lime zest. All the garlic and all the chili. Look at the color. I can smell the chili. It smells awesome. So mix it. What I've done with the coriander is that I have cut the coriander into 3 parts to be used in this dish. So I separate the roots and the stem itself, which I finely chop, and then the leaves, I pluck the leaves to use as garnishing. So add in the coriander. To steam the fish, I'm using the Chinese bamboo steamer sitting on top of my wok. So inside the wok itself, I've already filled some water. I need to make sure that there is a space between the surface of the water and the base of the bamboo steamer. I need to bring the water to boiling temperature. Once it started boiling, I will place the fish into the steamer. So the first thing I want to do is to add some Chinese cabbage. Once it's cooked, it kind of soak up all the infused flavor of the fish and the ingredients. And the other thing is that it kind of elevated the fish, so that way the steam can go right through and cook the fish evenly. The other ingredients I'm putting is lemongrass. I'm gonna place the coriander roots in here as well. And I have some kaffir lime leaves here. Crunch up the leaves. Then I'm just gonna place it around here. This fish right here is very fresh. I got it from the market this morning. The fish is blue cod, it's a white fish. It has delicate flavor. I have the fish sitting on top of the lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and the Chinese cabbage, as well as the coriander roots. I'm gonna steam it for 10 minutes. Okay, let's have a look. Now is to plate my fish onto a bowl. I'm gonna remove the lemongrass and the coriander roots and the kaffir lime leaves. I'm just gonna remove that. I have plucked the coriander leaves, and also I have the parsley. I have a flat parsley leaves over here. So the flat parsley leaves look like this. What I did was I plucked the leaves. I'm gonna use it as a garnishing, and I have that lime earlier, which I have sliced thinly. It's so simple to make Thai steamed fish with garlic lime dressing, pla neung manao. I'm gonna have a taste right now. Get some of the sauce. It's exactly how I want it. The flesh, the white flesh of the blue cod is delicate, but it goes so well with the dressing. All the robustness of the flavor and the texture from the ingredients. It's the perfect harmony of yin-yang in the dish. I hope you enjoy watching the show today. And remember, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. If you want a printed copy of my recipe, there is a link below. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment. So hopefully I'll see you next week with another new recipe. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and happy cooking. Ciao.